Yo! What's up, legends? You're locked into Channel V8X, where power meets precision and luxury hits different. Today, we're bringing you something clean, something aggressive, something that straight up dominates the road. This is the Mazda CX-5 2026 in Pearl White. And trust me, you're not ready. Intro, hype build. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 doesn't ask for attention, it takes it. That pearl white finish? Pure class. It shines under the sun, glows under city lights, and looks absolutely lethal at night. This SUV isn't trying to be flashy, it's built to be confident, bold, and unapologetically premium. Front view praise. Let's talk about that front view. The aggressive grille, the razor-sharp LED headlights, the wide stance. This face means business. Pulling up in this CX-5 feels like pulling up with authority. People notice. Heads turn. Respect is automatic. Side and back view praise. Now slide to the side profile, clean body lines, muscular curves, and a design that screams motion even when standing still. And the rear view? Oh yeah? Those LED taillights hit hard, the stance is wide, and the back end looks planted and powerful. This is design done right. Interior and dashboard. Step inside and it's a whole different world. The dashboard is modern, clean, and driver-focused. Premium materials, smooth finishes, and tech exactly where you want it. This isn't just an SUV. It's a cockpit. Engine and performance vibe. Pop the hood and you'll see the engineering confidence Mazda is known for. Reliable power, smooth response, and performance that's built for daily driving and weekend fun. It's not about noise, it's about control. Drone/highway/night shots, high peak. From the drone view, this CX-5 looks like it owns the road. On the highway, it's smooth, stable, and aggressive, cutting through traffic like a blade. And that night shot? Pearl white under the lights with LEDs glowing, straight cinematic. Absolute menace. Price mention mid-script. And here's the best part. This level of luxury doesn't destroy your wallet. The Mazda CX-5 2026 starts around the $30,000 range, making it one of the smartest luxury SUV choices on the market right now. Premium looks. Premium feel. Smart money. Final hype push. This isn't just transportation, this is a statement. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 Pearl White is for drivers who want luxury without ego, power without noise, and style without trying too hard. Closing, channel call. If you felt that energy, smash that like, hit subscribe, and stay tuned. Because this is Channel V8X. And we don't just show cars. We show dominance. Fire Channel V8X. See you in the next one.